guys, welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Yannick
and it's your girl Shelly,
and we are back with another lit video.
Thank you for sticking with us, guys. We love all our subscribers. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe
to our channel.
Yes, and go ahead and follow us on all our socials. That's Shelly Lisa B on Instagram and Shelly Lisa on Facebook. And don't forget to follow my business page, that's Forever Thoughts, on both Instagram and Facebook. Yes,
and follow me on Instagram at Queen Yan Brown and on Facebook at Yanni Brown and TikTok at Yanni Brown.
I'll mention our TikTok.
Yes.
TikTok Mama, this, you know, TikTok Mama. So
right.
This week we are going to do what
would you rather.
So we're gonna say two options.
She gonna read it off our phone.
Two options and you have to pick one. Which one or rather?
Yes.
Which one? So we're gonna know the type of person. You're gonna get insight about who we really are.
Our personalities.
Yeah, based on which one or rather. So let's get right into this video.
As you can hear, me kind of feel sound stuff, but me kind of sickish. You understand me? Say
coronavirus.
And corona. We just have flu.
Coronavirus. Listen, I was sick the week or 2 weeks ago, and she said the same thing. So
I walked in the other day and I got
coronavirus.
Sick.
Okay.
Alright.
Me nervous bad. But let's get right into the video.
You're gonna read the question. Come and have a question. So she gonna read the question and we just answer each other like would you rather.
Would you rather?
So, much of me I do 10?
As much as me feel.
Alright.
One
video.
Okay. Would you rather swim 300 meters through doo-doo or dead bodies?
Lord! Yuck! None of the above.
You have to pick one.
Or how long people been dead for? Y'all depends on how long they dead for. If they dead for a good part and the body are decomposed, then no.
Which one?
Lord of mercy, we don't know.
Why we swim through dead body? We can't swim through
dead body because if a person that just dead like couple minutes ago or 1 hour ago,
you cannot deter. We cannot. You have to get listen. You can't come and analyze things like that. Answer.
No. Dead
which
body.
One rather?
If you dead body not decompose already, start decompose.
No.
Alright, next question.
Alright.
Dead body them do. Ugh. Switch. Why not?
Okay. Alright. Would you rather date someone you love or date someone who loves you?
Yes.
Answer good.
I rather date somebody who loves me than dating somebody that me love, because and I said sometimes
me rather date somebody who love me.
Because I understand, say say person do all in can and they might treat you very good because they love you. But if you deal with somebody because you love them and they don't love you in return, they might treat you
problem.
You know, like one bad relationship because they
know bad relationship, but
it can be a bad relationship. It can be like be with you, but you love him so much you want to be with him. If you understand what I say.
Well, it kind of see, but me not pray that.
So I take
somebody who date somebody who in love with me than the other way around.
Exactly.
Simple.
They just not gonna like cherish you that much.
Would you rather lose the ability to lie or believe everything you're told?
Lose the ability to lie
or believe everything you're told?
You're an idiot. Rather lose the ability to lie. I'm not tell lie to that still. Rather lose the ability to lie.
Like you can never lie, no.
But I don't really tell lie anyways.
Like never, even if I look at teeny, you can't do it. Or if somebody, a girl and to somebody and they foot big. And I say, my foot big, you can't say.
See your foot big.
Argument done.
Yeah.
And boyfriend
but no what? But the thing is,
listen, a boyfriend grandma and I say, baby, oh my breath smell.
Your morning breath.
And let me say is you You know that was a little teeny weeny.
But I don't want to believe everything people say.
Well, I'm not
Come up a menke.
I lose the ability to take it lie. It's alright. Keep it.
Yeah, kind of believe everything people.
Yeah, but I
believe
believe no. I rather lose the ability to lie than the other way around.
Yes.
Alright.
Keep going.
Would you rather eat doodoo?
Why not to come to this doodoo argument?
Let me see. Would you rather eat doodoo that tastes like chocolate or eat chocolate that tastes like crap?
But I eat the chocolate tastes like shit. But you know, say it's a chocolate, you know, say it's natural, it's not, you know, ingredients you know, doodoo in it. You understand what I'm saying? So, you know, say it's just the flavor of the doodoo taste.
Me eat the chocolate tastes like crap.
Not the other way around. Not that don't get it.
Would you rather look 10 years older from neck up or neck down?
Why? I want people get a question from man. From the up, so this call me neck go saggy and my face full of wrinkles.
Yes, or your boobs them drop.
Or me yes. Saggy and about things.
Listen, me rather look wrinkled from neck down. Listen, they make can't hide. They make can't hide.
To be honest, more I've done yes, so alright.
And your face wrinkle and your neck everything.
Because when you put on your clothes and everything, your body nice.
But the face I go still hello.
Yeah, but some people don't really watch your face. You know how much okay girl have good body and people still do with them.
That doesn't make sense. I don't believe that.
My one friend there said though, I don't really care about the party. Yeah.
Hello. My face have to stay intact and my neck everything else can cover.
Well, me want me a breast up.
What me say? Would you rather have 3 kids and no money or no kids with $3 million?
I'd rather have 3 kids
with no money or no kids with $3 million.
I'd rather have my pin in them. I'd rather have kids
with no money. So you raise them.
I have to find a way. When they come to this world, they must survive, you know. They have to survive.
No money. I rather have 3 kids with no money at all.
Yeah. We'll find a way. So you rather, so you rather be selfish by yourself with no picking, have no chance at no child and just have $3 million to spend for yourself.
So selfish true.
Damn upset. Rather have my picking them.
Alright, give me the picking them. Yeah. Since you want you want to have hungry belly picking them. Yeah. Just dead and can't feed them, can't clothe them, not at all, just have them.
But
okay then.
Belly.
Okay, no problem.
It's a no-brainer, you know? Alright.
No problem. Would you rather win $50,000 or let your best friend win $500,000?
What?
Would you rather win $50,000 or let your best friend win $500,000? I'm not a best friend.
So why? What kind of question is that? So why when I make somebody else win 5,000, I mean I win 50,000?
500,000. Would you rather win 50,000 or let your best friend win 500,000?
Me myself and I 50,000 for me.
Me and a best friend still. Because if I had a best friend, I'm gonna make sure with the 500,000 and she have to give me a fight.
Check you at 100. Yeah, 100, I forget from that.
I might get 500. I'm not be too greedy.
You
know? Give me 100.
Somebody will tell you, yeah man, me give you man and then winning. I say, oh you, excuse me.
Alright, would you rather continue their life or restart it?
Continue. I rather continue my life. I don't want to restart.
Hey, song say,
can you never
wish my life would I restart?
No, you know what the thing is? You have a good life, say yeah. At the moment, you do have a good life.
Yeah,
it may not have be like to this
point.
Negative. Maybe it's not like how like the journey hasn't been the greatest. But if you restart and it's worse than it is now.
Which is true, but I not think negative.
Exactly. I tell you I have. The boy don't for now will be. You have green bank with the peer where you have.
Would you rather go back to the past and meet your loved ones who passed away, or go to the future to meet your children or grandchildren to be?
No, go back to the past.
No, go back to the past. I swear. I meet the loved one I lost.
Yeah.
Trust me.
Yeah.
Straight
okay,
back
we
to the past. We don't talk about that, but yeah.
Alright.
Would you rather speak your mind and never speak again?
But
I
this
chat
is,
my mind.
but the thing is, man, that's all
Exactly.
That's not a problem. I always stop mine. I mean, I care who we hurt.
Alright,
Can't think of a spark.
would you rather know how you will die or when you will die?
I rather know
If you rather know how you're not dead or when.
when, or just know when.
Trust me, I rather know when. I don't want to know how.
Oh,
Who want to know how they're not dead?
I don't want to know how. I'm not saying the day I'm going to dead. I'm just do everything up to that
Why
day.
I don't know
want to do.
I don't know. I do.
I don't want to know how though.
Alright, would you rather be a cow or a chicken?
That's stupid.
Moo!
What's the difference? What's the difference between a
I
cow
rather be a
or
cow.
chicken? Like, what's the benefits of being a cow or being a chicken? Like,
Would you rather eat everything you see or lick everything you see?
eat?
Or lick everything? Me not lick it.
Everything you see as in what?
You would rather lick everything you see or eat everything you see?
Lick.
Lick?
Yeah, what? So it's
Lord.
the same thing with the same difference? If you eat it, why not lick it and done?
It is rather licking but eat it.
Exactly. That make more sense. Logic. Think about it.
Would you rather be in jail for 10 years or be in a coma for 20 years?
Jail.
Put me in a jail. Coma? No, sir. I'm in a jail.
Because a coma, you don't know if you're going to come. No. Coma? No. Jail?
Would you rather look like fish or smell like fish?
Look like a fish. I rather look like a fish.
I wonder hard. We don't know.
More like a barracuda.
No, man. Would you rather have a grapefruit size head or a head the size of a watermelon?
A grapefruit size, so a grapefruit is like
small. Alright, how about a watermelon?
A grapefruit size. No, a watermelon head.
A big head?
And a small head. Because some small head make you look weird.
No, man.
But big head look weird too. Give me grapefruit head. Remember it's small. Which one you rather?
Yeah.
Which one you rather?
Must see me look teeny heads. Give me the watermelon head.
Okay. When we don't say watermelon here, really? Watermelon head?
Alright, would you rather be Donald Trump or George Bush?
But I dirty people. You know what I'm saying? I don't really know that much about George Bush. That's the thing, you know.
Would you hey, me no matter who. More man with Trump.
But Trump? Jeez. Do you take a wheel? Trump is something else. Give me George Bush. I don't be no Trump.
Nobody know I'm being no
Right.
Trump.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's it for today.
Yes, guys.
Okay. Yes. So no, we're gonna do next one. Next one we do part 2 for the video here.
You're the part 2 for every day next
Yeah,
week. But the thing about it is we're gonna do the dirty version. So you have to like this video. Give way. The like will satisfy. I will drop the part 2, but the dirty version for
What you want?
this video.
Much like so.
We still have 50 from last video. Put it 50 likes. I will drop
50
part 2 for this.
likes.
But
we
the
drop part
dirty.
Yeah.
Dirty version. Yes, so remember to like, comment, and remember, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that post notification button. I'm going to tell you now again. So every time we post, you don't get notified. As I always say, tell them what I always say.
Remember what you always say.
I tell them so they get notified. When?
Hey, every time I post.
Yeah, but when?
Every Sunday.
When?
I don't know.
When you turn on post notification, it's if you drop a video, when they get it. Tell them when they get it.
Today, not tomorrow, not next week, not the week after that.
Right away. Yes. Sister, right away.
Right away.
So, we love you guys. And we will see you next week. Sunday. We post every Sunday. And we are
out. Ciao.